This is the tips video for the EMU Postcard product. Make sure you change the job name and make it more descriptive for what you're producing. The first customization control for the postcard is the photo area. You can choose Select from Gallery and pick from one of the images that we have in our gallery, or you can click Upload a file if you have a photo that you'd like to use. Using the gallery of images is much easier than doing the upload a file option because you need to have your photo, if you're going to upload your own, be almost exactly 2790 pixels wide by 1640 pixels tall. That resolution has the right proportions to avoid cropping on your image, and it also is the right resolution to effectively produce a 300 dpi photograph on the final printout, which is high resolution printing. So if you're going to upload your own file, you might need a program like Photoshop on your computer to open it and make sure that the pixel dimensions are very close to 2790 by 1640. If they're not, you might have to do your own cropping in Photoshop in order to pre-crop your picture so that it displays as you'd like it to on our product on the storefront. I've chosen to go with the gallery images for this test. To see my changes so far, I need to click Update Preview. You cannot get to the full-size preview until after you've clicked the Update Preview button. Next, I need to add in some text for the front. I've typed some text into the upper text area and the lower text area. This simply refers to the position of the text blocks on this preview here. So now I'm going to hit Update Preview. One thing you'll want to check for in the preview is to see what words terminate each line on the right hand side. For instance, join us for our annual art festival. It might be nice to have the word art and festival on the same line. So to change that, I just go down into my text area and enter a carriage return. Next, let's talk about the back of the card. That's page 2 of the preview. I can upload a Microsoft Word 2003 file to fill in this left-hand side of the back, and I can type in a return address on the right. In this panel 2 left text area control here, it says I need to upload Word 2003. I keep repeating that because of the importance of it. If you're using Word 2007, 2008, or 2010, simply save down your file to the 2003 format and then upload it. Your Word 2003 file should appear here in this left-hand area. It's critical that you open the full-size preview in Adobe Reader and check your file. Make sure that the fonts are all preserved and make sure that you are okay with the way these lines are terminating on the right hand side. Text may reflow because of being resized to fit into this window. If some of your fonts aren't working here, go back into Word and choose a different font. If you don't like some of the line breaks on the right hand side, simply go in to your Word file and hold down Shift and hit Enter where you'd like to place a line break. Then resave the file in Word and re-upload it onto our storefront. While you're in the full-size preview, make sure that you zoom in all the way to 400% in order to look at the details of what you're producing. If any of the text or any of the graphics looks rasterized or jagged, it's probably too low resolution for high-quality printing, and you might want to go back and select a more high-res piece of art. Lastly, we can go in and choose a name of office and full address for this product. Simply type that information in as you'd like to see it. If you don't have an office to put in this area here, just leave it blank and the address will snug up to fill that area on the card. Here's our final product on front and on back. Again, make sure you approve the full-size preview by looking at it before you proceed. When you're ready, you can go down and click Save My Job if you'd like to save this job and continue working on it later, or you can click Next in order to put the job into your shopping cart. To get more details on the shopping cart and ordering process, or to see more details on how to customize this postcard, watch our full-length training video and ordering instructions video on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.